Welcome to Personalized Paper Manufacturing Group, North America's leading manufacturer of custom stationery products. Personalized Paper is the industry's largest manufacturer of custom notepads, note cards, business forms, sticky notes, and notebooks, and the only manufacturer of double-sided and collated notepads, because custom stationery is our business. Founded in 1996, Personalized Paper Manufacturing Group was built on the principle of consistently providing quality products and superior service at a low price. We shop our competitors daily, and because we manufacture all of our own products, we're able to provide the guaranteed lowest prices. On our website, customers have access to our extensive design studio, which provides professional tools in an easy-to-use manner. Customers are able to upload their own designs or choose from our library of over 25 million images. We even offer a free PDF proof before checkout, so you can see how your design will print prior to your purchase. No matter how big or small the order, we offer 24-hour turnaround and free customer assistance, where our knowledgeable and creative staff are prepared to help you with whatever projects come your way. Our goal is to show you firsthand what current customers have already experienced, and we pride ourselves on providing customers with unbeatable service, quality, and guaranteed low prices. We look forward to continually working with you at Personalized Paper Manufacturing Group, where service is everything.